Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights into the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a unique find: the best organic dried apple peel powder. This organic dried apple peel powder is not just a regular health supplement, it's packed with nutrients and benefits that you won't find in other alternatives. Let's talk about why this product stands out. First and foremost, it's rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health and maintaining a healthy gut flora. Moreover, it's loaded with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall immune function. For those looking to manage their cholesterol levels naturally, this product has shown promise in clinical studies for its cholesterol-lowering effects. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate this into your daily routine. Whether you're blending it into your morning smoothie for an added nutritional boost. Quality matters, especially when it comes to health products. This apple peel powder is sourced from organic apples, ensuring that you're getting the purest form without any harmful pesticides or additives. In conclusion, the best organic dried apple peel powder isn't just a supplement, it's a health investment. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, support digestive health, or simply enjoy a nutritious addition to your diet, this product delivers on all fronts. If you're interested in learning more or trying it out for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.